one. Second, you will be appearing for prelims next year. चुटकी बजाते ही नया साल आ जाएगा. Yesterday was an off. You had an off. सुबह से just I don't want to give any lecture, hard work, consistency, get up early in the morning, ये सब मालूम है आपको, कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं. बस one thing, that from dawn to dusk you have 24 hours. Every single day. Just imagine that if you are not studying, somebody else is studying. Don't take stress, but one thing just you adopt: consistency. Every day what productive you have done on that day. जैसे कल का एक दिन था तो आपको उछल जाना चाहिए था कि अब मुझे एक दिन मिला है जिंदगी में पढ़ने के लिए. Honestly, because when you will appear for prelims, you will make a plan. जैसे स्कूल में you made a plan of 3 days, फिर 1 day, फिर 1 hour, फिर in auto you will ask क्या था भाई इसका, and then you will write. So you will make a plan, and then when you will make a plan, हमेशा वक्त कम पड़ेगा. अभी जो वक्त है, that time will never. Yesterday I met someone, he couldn't qualify prelims. He was asking me that what you call, in fact he's having last attempt. Okay, so I just said कि the time to prepare for UPSC is not January. ये मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ. The time to prepare for UPSC is June to December. अभी जो आप तो खैर और पहले से शुरू करें, that's very good. So all everybody from will be studying in ORN from January. Everybody in ORN, all those who are बेशरम का भी जो last limit है जनवरी में, they have a meeting. I say every year they have a meeting कि भाई अब बहुत हो गया, and now they everybody will study. जो सबसे बेशरम है, he will also be conscious कि parents are sending money. सबका hard earned नहीं है, ठीक है. So I will not add hard earned as a universal thing. So everybody will be. लेकिन हो गया, दाना चुग गई, चिड़िया चुग गई खेत, यही बोलते हैं ना, हो गया. जिनको बुचर्स को अपना हथियार पेश करना था, they have done that in June to December. Every person will study from January. पर जो कातिल है, they are working under the lamp from June to December. Everybody is serious about prelims. Getting my point? नहीं. अभी जो टाइम है ये the entire wealth in the world cannot buy this time. Every single day that you got yesterday, every single day you should use, क्योंकि फिर ये time, then you will have ample of syllabus and less time. And the person who has worked during this period, he will sit and watch, but he will see कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, पर yes done. So this is the time. अभी से आप उस चीज का, and if you want to do masti, do whatever, but don't. The problem is either you do complete masti or पढ़ाई. That's perfectly fine. Only what you don't do कि think कि पार्टी करते हैं, पूरा दिन सोचने में ही रह गया. पार्टी करना है तो पार्टी करो और फिर पढ़ाई करो. ये नहीं कि पार्टी का प्लान ही बनाने में 3 दोस्त 3 दिन तक रह गए और फिर बर्बाद हो गया. ज्यादातर मैं यही देखता हूँ, पार्टी का प्लान ही बन रहा होता है. So if you want to party, you party. Work hard, party harder. Okay. So the point is, you should. So please don't do. Abhi I see opportunity. I see other batches. I don't see opportunity. Why? Because those who have not studied, they have already lagged behind. They will have to compensate next year. But we are talking in February. आपको. So yesterday, one day which was an off, पूरा एक दिन जो बाद में अगले साल फरवरी में इसी एक दिन के लिए you will, कि एक दिन और होता था I would do maps. एक दिन और होता है you do culture, एक दिन और होता है you do. So from now you become you do masti, that's perfectly fine, but after masti you study. ये नहीं कि एकदम serious बने हुए हैं, ठीक है. So this is, don't waste time. This is the only, बाकी you don't waste time. That is, yesterday was an off. अब समझे ना, एक दिन अब तो परसों प्लान नहीं.